everyone, I'm Michael Ginn with King Canada Tools. Sanders come in all shapes and sizes, and versatility is key. Though many of us stick to working with wood, a sander that can work with metal, plastic, curved and flat surfaces allows for you to make custom motorcycle parts, automotive parts, and even take up knife making. And this might be just the sander for you. The KC770FX combination sander is a convenient and powerful benchtop sander that can sand, shape, grind, clean, and de-burr a variety of materials, including wood, metals, and plastics. The KC770FX is powered by a 1 horsepower 6.2 amp direct drive motor, which drives both the belt and disc sander at once. The cast iron construction, steel base, large rubber feet, and 61-pound weight help this sander cut down on unwanted vibration while still allowing for portability around the shop. The benchtop size of the KC770FX doesn't tell the whole story because this is one serious sander that feels equally at home in a professional environment, educational setting, or home shop. The 8-inch disc sander boasts a cast iron table that adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees and can work in conjunction with the included mitre gauge and T-slot to safely sand or grind precise angles into your work. And to keep your lungs safe from dust and debris, the KC770FX has 1.5-inch dust ports on both the disc and belt sides of the sander that easily accept standard wet-dry vac hoses. The belt sander offers even more versatility with its interchangeable 1-inch and 2-inch sanding belts, easily swapped platens, and quick-release lever for fast and simple belt changes. This aspect of the sander allows for referencing against the platen as well as against the belt alone, giving the opportunity to create hard or soft sanding edges in all your work and accommodating a variety of oddly shaped workpieces. To change the sanding belt, first unplug the sander and then release the belt tension using the quick release lever to the left of the sanding belt. Remove the safety panel to the right along with the cast iron table, and then, keeping pressure on the lever, take off the unwanted belt and replace it with the belt of your choice. Confirm that the belt will be running the correct direction and center it on the wheels and platen. Once you have aligned the belt, return tension with the lever, replace the safety cover and table, and you're ready to get back to work. Changing the belts or discs out for different grits or sanding mediums can help you achieve different levels of smoothness or faster rates of material removal, and you should definitely consider the King Industrial line of pure zirconia metal sanding discs and belts for metalworking applications. They will cut longer, stay cooler, and prolong the life of your machine when working with harder metals. To learn more about these and other King Canada tools, contact your local dealer or check out the website at kingcanada.com.